Ford Dystopia. This Ford Dystopia is a tribute to the Ford 90s vision that was inspired by the Ford Indigo and the GT90. This car is based on a CyberPunk and Mecha Mood theme. During the 90s, Ford had no limits to their concept models. They used to create futuristic vehicles for the future during that time. This concept is meant for mixing the mecha, sci-fi, and robotics. Ford has also built a video game division. While creating this immersive project for Ford, happening in the CyberPunk world, no limit thinking was aimed. This car is a praise to the Automotive that has a strong feeling of the solid brought by a hard surface and other technical details. This car looks like it will pump into the future. The open wheels of the car give a futuristic aspect. The open front wheel helps push the gravity very low. It emphasizes the stance on the front of the vehicle. To extend the theme, the front is open and exaggerated the gravity feeling. The car praises the Automotive pure strength that gives a strong feeling of solid brought. The hard surface and the technical details. The front wheel gives a further aspect as it helps to push the gravity to quite low. This emphasizes the stance on the front. To push this theme further, the front and the exaggerated gravity feeling, the sharp and edgy corners of the car make it ready to race anytime. The color of the light changes from red to blue, which looks like Speed Racer. If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.